Hi, today I will teach you about for loop in Excel Visual Basic. Sometimes you need to perform the same code several times. This is called iteration, and it can be accomplished by using a for loop. Let us write a code that writes a message in many cells. This can easily be done using a for loop. In this for loop, we will iterate by using the variable I. The first time the loop runs, variable I has the value 1. The second time the loop runs, variable I has the value 2, and so on. The code inside the for loop is repeated over and over again until the variable reaches the last value. Note that at the end of the for loop, you must write next, followed by the variable used in the for loop. As expected, the message is written in the 5 first rows, in the 4th column. You can also use for loops inside for loops. This is called a nested for loop. Let us make a for loop that writes a message in the 5 first rows, in the first 4 columns. Make sure the nested for loop uses a different variable. As expected, the message is printed in 5 rows and 4 columns. Let me show you a quick example where a for loop can be useful. Imagine that you have a list of telephone numbers. Your task is to remove the country code and only grab the last 8 digits, which contains the number. This can easily be done using a for loop. Visual Basic has an inbuilt function, write, which is very handy in this case. This function will iterate from 1 to 10 and replace the value in each cell with its 8 last digits. As expected, the code works. The best way to learn this is to try it out yourself. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching, and keep coding.